What's up guys, this is Ashwin. Today I'm going to be starting the Model 3 series on this brand new 2021 Model 3 with how to put on these wheel caps so you can get rid of the ugly arrows. So I got this kit right here from Amazon. It was around 35 Canadian. It makes the wheel look a lot better. Fills up that hole and covers up the nuts as well so they don't get exposed to rust. Alright, so it's going to feel like you're breaking something when you're taking this off, but it can't use a lot of force. Just like that. So you can see how the clips are set up, just holding on each spoke and then also in the middle here. Now for the wheel cap, you kind of have to align it up. What I like to do is peel back this so it just doesn't get stuck behind when it's fully in. Like that. Once you, like, all the corners are in but not fully in, you can just slap it. Oh, not like that. You have to get it right in the center or else it won't go in. Just like that. Then you can peel back the saran on it. And then this stuff is pretty easy. Just pop them right on top. Okay, and that's it. Now we can go to the next wheel. Alright, so I flipped the car around just to make it easier to see everything. I think it's easy just to get the spokes off. We'll kind of pop off after that. I feel like I'm scratching the wheels, like pulling it off. We got it ceramic coated, these wheels. So I feel like it's just like peeling off the ceramic coat, just on those spots. Just like that. Now time for the final wheel. I think the best course of action is to get the bottom parts first, like where this cut is. Get the bottom two first and then get these. So then this would kind of close in when you're trying to get the top ones in. Yeah, that worked a lot easier than trying to finagle it. They also give you this like thing to remove these after. I don't know the point of it, but you can just go like that. And they give you one extra. Wow. There we go. That's it. Alright guys, that's it. That's how you get the air cap conversion done. I guess that's what you can call it. It looks so much better than with the Aero caps on. Yeah, so this is my dad's Model 3. He just got it a few weeks ago. We got it all ceramic coated and everything. Man, so many of these people do this, but if I were to do this, someone would yell at me easily. But like, all these other cars, that's why. Anyways. Yeah, so this is my dad's Model 3. He just got it 2021. We got it ceramic coated and everything. Now we just got the cap conversion done. And yeah, it's going to be exciting to see what else we do to this car. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more content. I have more 135i content coming out. I want to finish up my red car first, and then I'm going to get my started with my gray car. I have a lot of videos recorded with the gray car, like around 20 videos. Just busy with school and work and everything, but yeah, now that school's done, it's time for grind time. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching.